I've been engaging in mind makeovers for the past 5 years. It has completely changed my life. Every single time I engage in a mind makeover, I strengthen my personal powers and I release everyone else's powers. And every single time I engage in my personal powers, I realize how strong other people's powers can influence your decision making. What is a mind makeover? It's basically being in your own zone, having those positive self-talks to increase your own personal strength and powers. It's about managing your energy very, very well. Ideally, I like to do this daily. However, it's not always effective with my lifestyle. So what I normally do, I usually carve out time each week, usually an hour or two, to see where I am and perhaps find better solutions. I intentionally focus on my goal and my personal powers 10 minutes every day. Taking these breaks are so beneficial for your mind, body, and spirit.